Hello friends, welcome to Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to punch this unicorn. So we need to be very careful while tracing the picture. We want to think which side should be the correct side. Take a print of the picture which you are going to do and you have to keep it at the bottom of the cloth like this and you are going to trace this. Let's see how to do them. For that, first we are going to thread the needle. First I'm going to do the background of this unicorn. So I'm going to thread this black color first. We need to be careful always. We are keeping the open end while you're punching. So we'll start punching. So just insert it here. Bring the needle back side. Next take little bit and punch. So likewise you're going to punch the outline of this unicorn. It looks like this. At the back side it will be like this. We'll be doing them around. So here you can see a mistake, so you can take this out. You need to be careful that the yarn flows freely, otherwise stitches will not be done. So likewise we will be punching them around. To finish their work, turn your work, extend the yarn little bit and snip off this yarn. Next you're going to do the outline inside. After doing the border part, it looks like this. Back it looks like this. Next you'll be doing the small part, this horn, this ear and this nose. Same way we will be doing them. After doing the horn, nose and the ear, it looks like this. Likewise we'll be doing different colors for this unicorn. After doing the unicorn, it looks like this.